Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Let me tell you something. If you like slim girl, date slim girl. If you like fat girl, date fat. If you like thickers without belly, date thickers without belly. But don't date a big belly girl like me and I'll tell me, say, anyway, can you lose the weight? I will diss you. I will send you back up in your mother. Stay in your lane, pick who you want. Not try to come train me for convenient to you. You'll be right out of there. You know I'm fat. And you never hear that tell me I have complications. Let me stay fat with my big belly. Manage my big belly. You want that same day, that same, but don't come there me and tell me, say, anyway, can you lose the weight? I will diss you. If you want to reap on my own, you not advise me to do it.
You know, so I like the way how this lady attack. Yeah, I like the way how she give off confidence. You see me? This female shown in that video said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that as a man who is trying to be with her, you should not try and change her. Before that, it's best for you to go and look for the type of woman that you like. See? Yeah, I respect her for that, you know? Yeah, man. You see her with the mango? Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I'm here again. You see it? Pardon my manners, you know? Big up. Alright. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who lifted a bag of cement with his teeth. Yeah, this video shows a person who lifted and carried a bag of cement with his teeth. You see me? Now, it's not the first time I saw a video like this on social media. I'm not sure if it's the same video that I saw. You see me, I say? And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. You can also let me know what you think about this video as well. You see me, I say? And I'm going to say this to each and every one. Do not try this at home. It is dangerous. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look. Listen and observe.
The great bossa, working night, my boss. Man of sorrows. Man of strength. See it now? Watching now. Watch him now. No watch him now. No watch him now. No watch him on the man. Watch him on the man. Watch him on got to work the man. What a cause for that? Brace it on him chest. Easy now man. Behave now man.
Yo, me tell you to get my phone, you know. Salute you, youth. Salute
Easy now man. Easy now man.
Salute you, youth.
Easy now man. Push up your chest like a chicken. Yo!
You know, my people, I saw this same person in another video carrying about 6 blocks. Yes, 6 blocks. Now, on a real, me give him props for know say that he's that strong to lift so many blocks. As I say, and you know, those blocks are not 4 inches blocks, you know, those are more than 4 inches blocks. As I mean, and I'm talking about blocks that you use to build house. You see? At least within the country of Jamaica. I don't know if they use the same form of blocks to build house everywhere worldwide. I don't know that. You see me? But more of a point out that sometimes you have to be careful of how you lift a certain amount of weight still, you know, because you can hurt yourself in the long run of life, you know. You see me I say? You might not feel the pain now, but you can feel the pain later on in life. You see it? But anyways, big up to that person there. On a real, he's strong. Big him up. But still be careful, alright? Now, I saw a video that shows a person washing disposable mask. You see me I said to you? And when I saw the video, I wondered, why is that person doing something like that? You see me? Because the last time I bought a pack of disposable mask, the instructions that I read on the pack said that disposable masks are to be worn once, are good for wearing once, and then throw them into the garbage bin or dispose of them properly. You see me I said to you? See? So when we see someone do something like that, viewers and subscribers, I mean, I'm saying that common knowledge alone is supposed to tell us, say, those are only to be worn once, you see me? So I wonder what that person is doing with those things. You see me, I said to you? And I want that the panny hat. Anyways, my people, I have another video that I'm going to present to you, and this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when this video had been recorded. However, you're going to hear someone talking in the background of this video who said some things that gave me the understanding that he explained what caused land dispute between neighbors somewhere within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. See it? People, let me know what you think about some of the things that have been said in this video, alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Good day. This is concerning the video I did earlier on with the state land officer coming to tell me I have to break my house with no documents and always harassing me, right? Watch this. Is somebody getting paid off, right? This is the people in front property, right? The property is going down all the way to the back. Right. This is the house, the one brick. The rotten down board house as they see. This rotten down old board house after brick. Right? Watch it. Watch how these people encroach on me and squeezing me in. Right? But now the Bella house to the back, I want to use my garage way as a driveway, right? This is driveway, belongs to this house, I cast this driveway, right? They never even come out and help the cast, money, labor, nothing. All they do is pull the curtain and peep in to see when I cast it. When I cast now, they start to use it like a highway, right? And I have no rights. Well, making me feel I have no rights, but I have rights. This is my garage, where I park my car. I stock things, we use it as a washroom, right? Stuff like that, right? The Ratnang board house half the brick. This is inside the Ratnang board house, right? See, I wouldn't like to tell you my house really old and rotten, right? This house here about 50 years now. It is rotten. You can see the house falling apart, but it is going on with the house, right? What causing this whole big issue is this house I'm building, right? Watch it good. This is the house I'm building. So everybody's saying is either doing drugs or in Obia. Well, you know that you're talking Trinidad, right? This is the house, as you can see, right? Now, they want the roadway to pass through my garage, right? To go to their house. Now they have a house, what do you think a house they have in front? They come behind me and build a house and expect me to break my garage to get them a driveway. When I tell them no, there's a problem, right? Watch here. Watch where they put a fence in. I don't have comfortable space to put up a scaffold here. Watch where it is going on. Right? And always telling somebody fraud illegal, stating they're from state land, to tell me after break, but you come out with no documents. But you go from here, but me want to hear all you, but you can't come around me. My lawyer from the west, you know, and he just waiting for all you, know. He just waiting for all you. Me take no $2 lawyer, you know, I spending my money us. I'll do it, tell you different, tell you good. There are plenty people gonna lose the work in state land, watch and you go see. You don't know who all you're dealing with by.
Viewers and subscribers, just when it comes to land argument or land fight, me not depend that. I will not get involved in no land dispute and all these things. You see me? Even if someone take piece of land that is mine, I rather go to a lawyer or so forth, and as soon as everything squash, even sometimes before it's squashed, me want to move. And as me get the chance, me I move. I don't like land dispute. You think a little people me say injure each other over these things, persons lose all their life over land dispute and all these things. Me not depend that. I don't want to be involved in that. You see? Would you feel comfortable living among neighbors who don't like you because of land dispute? Would you feel comfortable living among neighbors who despise you and hate you because of land dispute? Would you feel comfortable to know that you have to go to a lawyer to get a piece of land, and when you get the piece of land, the neighbors that used to own that land are now somewhat uncomfortable, and then they are the neighbors somewhat have a grudge against you or probably hate you because of what had happened? Me not feel comfortable living there. No. So when it comes down to land dispute and land argument, I rather move than in a bag of argument over them things that me not stand there. Alright, I hear some of you leave it no viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.